Aussie biker here in one of Baxter Cycles' garage areas. Today we're going to be working on this Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. What we're going to be doing is taking these stock pipes, as beautiful as they are, off this hot rod, and we're going to be replacing them with the contents of this box, the magic ZArds. And I've got one unwrapped over here. Look at that, isn't that just beautiful? With a mirror finish, just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that badge on there. And of course got one for each side. This is how they came, wrapped in this plastic in that box. Just a gorgeous looking thing. Anyway, I've got sound of the bike from before. We'll play some of that. Then we'll play what these sound like afterwards too. Let's get it going. Wahoo! Taking a look at this, looks like we've got to undo this little plate screw. Get that off. Come up here, undo. I don't know if we have to undo that or not. Yeah, it looks like we'll have to undo this bolt here, and that'll go with the pipes, the old pipes. This should all pop off, and then we'll take this pipe here and reverse the action. And there was a little bag of hardware that came with it. Yeah, right there. 2 stainless steel clamps. So I'll get to that. Get back to you in a minute. Okay, I took this 10mm bolt out of here, and this little cover wouldn't pull off, so you had to actually slip it down like this before it pops off. We'll set that over there. We'll pull this off next, and then we'll get to this one, and then we'll do the reverse to get the other pipe on. Okay, I've got this bolt taken out of here. Got this all loose. The whole thing just pops off just like that, and this hot rod will go on just like that, and we'll put the clamps on and get going. ZArd pipe goes on like that, and we have to put this little connector on there, and I need that on there so that when I put this pipe on, it will I can access the fastener. I think I can if I do it like that. So then we just slip this all on, just like that. Beautiful. And I'll run this bolt through over here. That's a lock nut. Okay, so I ran that through there. I ran this through here. I've got that bolt visible. I'm going to move that up so it's a little less visible when I tighten it. And then I'll get this tightened, and that'll be the pipe. Isn't that just amazing looking? I love it. And then so far the hardest thing has been trying to keep the pipes from getting dirty. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is a stock pipe. I don't know what it weighs, but it's significantly heavier than, let's go over here. This really neat. This is probably half the weight. I mean, it just, there's nothing to these weight-wise. Beautiful ZArd, huh? Here, I'm getting fingerprints all over them. All right, I got the pipes on. The slip-ons are new from here back. The ZARDs, look at that, look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love it. Here's the side. Just a mirror finish. I mean, look at that shine. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Look at those ends, that trumpet end. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see if the bike's in neutral. It is. Let's hit start. There it is at an idle. Give it a few minutes to warm up. Beautiful bike, Continental GT. It's got the aftermarket seat. We put the side bag on it. Nice, beautiful mirror. Beautiful bike, just gorgeous. This tank strap, I love the way the whole thing looks. And now these beautiful ZARDs. What else do y'all think we should do to this bike? I love the tires, I love the whole dirty. Does that scream sport or what, huh? Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous bike. If it wasn't snowing out, but that thing is amazing. I love it. Wahoo! Okay, we just took the baffles out, or the little covers over here, restrictors. They're right here. We just took these out, and power on, neutral light. Wow, that's a lot of difference. Let it warm up a minute. Holy moly. Y'all interested in something like this? Get hold of Baxter Cycle, baxtercycle.com. They can help you with the pipes, they can help you with the bike. Just a thing of beauty. Just a thing of beauty.